bonjour and welcome to a new French pronunciation video. Today we will learn how to pronounce the name of this very famous French viennoiserie called in English apple turnover, made with a delectable apple compote filling with peeled and cored apple, flour, sugar, cinnamon, puff pastry, beaten eggs. So how do you pronounce chausson aux pommes? You will simply say chausson aux pommes. Chausson aux pommes. Chausson aux pommes. Pomme mean apple. Did you know that if you eat the chausson aux pommes right after it's go out from the oven, you will burn your tongue? Do not do that. I did it and it's very painful. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you an awesome day, but please before subscribe to our channel and like this video. À bientôt, see you.